Hi guys, this is Dave Bennett. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get and install your new website at website-installer.com. So let's go there. And here we go. We're going to go ahead and do what? These are the steps. We're going to select a template, choose a domain name, either one you already have that you're going to forward to your new website to replace your old one, or you're going to get a new domain name. We're going to enter some details, okay, for the purchase. And that's it. We're just going to purchase it and it'll be live in minutes. Okay. So you don't have to learn anything about GoDaddy or HostGator. I know if you're in business, a lot of the stuff that website guys do, it's just difficult to understand. The websites we have are extremely easy to use. The landing page builders are awesome. We're competitive with WordPress on price. We're competitive with Wix on price, and with functionality. We think we have a lot more. But totally awesome websites. We're going to go ahead and show you what it would take to actually install one. Let's go down to one of the sections. Say you're in the bug removal business, just to pick something out of here, because we have a lot of templates now and a lot more are coming soon. Okay, so if you're just curious, we have lots of templates in here now. Usually the cheaper ones are specifically because they're landing pages. Okay, and then there are the higher cost ones. They're full scale websites. Now, do realize that the cost includes cPanel hosting for the first year. Okay, so this is dollar for dollar. The functionality you get is cheaper than you would get with most of the other big name providers. So let's just choose something. Okay, now with every one of these, you can see what it looks like with the demo button, and you can go ahead and buy whatever you want to buy. So I might look at a demo and say, okay, let me just see what we see. And here it goes, and it's got a full scale banner, different things I might like about it. Now, for those of you who don't know, SMS feature is awesome. On a mobile phone, there is a click to text button, and you can choose what that number is, whether it's different than your regular phone number. There are a lot of functions that make these panels powerful, but we'll go ahead and explain that later. The point is right now, just to show you how to get one. All right, so let's say you checked a few of these out and you decided that this might be the one you want, and you like the idea of banner blocks because they really allow you to get more of the sublinks up onto the real estate of the page so people can easily click, more rapidly notice you. And you might just say, this is a really good one. I like the way it works, and let's go ahead and do that. So if you're going to do that, how does that go? Here we go. Let's say we're going to choose it and buy it. So we're going to buy. There you go. Price $76, includes a full year of hosting with cPanel access and unlimited bandwidth. Okay, so that makes this price competitive with the major competitors out there. And here we go, order form. So what would you put down? Let's say, this is my name. Let me get my email address in there. Let's say I go this one. Okay. Whoops. Washington's my state. United States is my country. The template name was already selected for me. Okay. And then the promo code, if you have one, go ahead and stick it in. Otherwise, what are we going to do? Either use an existing domain or buy a new domain. To use an existing domain, just select it, put it in, say you're, pestcontrolguys.com. And so all you need to know is to go there, wherever your registrar is, like GoDaddy, and just forward the name servers to this and this. Very simple. Then just come back and continue the purchase. You could even do it on a second tab. You could go to GoDaddy right here on a different tab and make that change after you log in. Okay? Now, if you don't know how to set the name servers, just ask on live support. They'll show you. It takes like 2 minutes to do this. It's really, really easy. Okay, and that's if you're trying to replace an old website with a better one, ours. Now, if you want to buy a new website altogether, buy a new domain, okay, then just switch to that option, and we're going to do that instead. That's over here, okay? So let's say we're going to say, be gone, pests. Okay, I'm going to see if this is available. So I'm going to do the search. And if it happens to be available, I can get it. Now notice so far, by the way, that the subtotal, okay, is quite cheap. It's double digits for the entire year for everything you need. And this is available. That's great. So I can go ahead and add it. $13.29 first year, go ahead and add it. And it's like that every year. So do you know what? We're still under $100 for the first year. And then after that, re-up's only going to be 50 for the cPanel plus about 15 for the domain name. It's $65 a year. So cheap. So cheap. $65 a year. $96 for the first year for everything that we have now. What is that? 96.43 divided by 12. About $8 a month for features that are competitive with at least $14 a month and even $28 a month, depending on the different services you go to. And we have more features and more strength. All right, so let's say we're going to go ahead and buy. Okay, this is what it's like. Oh, I see. It's telling me that that already exists. So let me just use some other email for this purpose. Okay, it'll create an account during the action. So I'm just going to go ahead and buy. Creating the user login, login the user. So notice I didn't even have to create an account first. How's that for cool? So then I just got to go here. Okay, and I could either pay with PayPal, or I could come down here and flip this option on and pay with a debit or credit card, which is simple because you can just pay with a debit or a credit card. You don't even have to create a PayPal account. So you can pay either way you want, PayPal or credit card. Okay, let me go ahead and log in. Okay, and let's watch how this goes, by the way. Okay, I want to make sure you understand how cool this is because most people don't have it this easy. Okay. We're going to go ahead and continue with our purchase. We know we're going to pay whatever we're paying, $96.43. So what did we say the domain was, right? begonepests.com. There's literally nothing here, right? So let's just hit our buy button because so far nothing's been hard to do, has it? I don't think so. So let's just go ahead and continue and see how this goes, right? Okay, here we go. We can go ahead and time it if we want. It's 5:34 and some seconds. Okay, 14:15. I'll go ahead and hit pause, let it finish, and get myself a cup of coffee and come back. By the way, one thing I'm going to make a point about, you can absolutely do this whole thing on your cell phone. You can be sitting at a restaurant and you can buy and install your whole new website, and it goes further than that. Not only will it install, here's what it's doing. It's creating the domain name, setting the term to a year. It is setting the name servers for you, creating the cPanel, installing the website, and then it's going to create the system-based email address, which goes with the contact forms and everything, and it's going to forward that to your email address, the one you used when you signed up. And then it's going to send you a welcome email. It's going to give you cPanel access instructions so you can get into your cPanel, create new email addresses for yourself. It's going to give you the admin panel, obviously, so you can get in your website and do everything you want to do inside that website. The website's pretty powerful. I should show you real quick just some basic ideas for it. So if I were to look at the demo real fast while we're waiting, I just want to make some points. There are a lot of things that make these really powerful websites. Okay, you will have all the information that you want here is broken out. So first of all, it's HTML5, CSS3. It's got Bootstrap enabled. It has a single push button for optimizing all the images in place on the entire website. It has things like image gallery, so you can show images for different topics, and you can lead people. You can make these click to particular pages so that people can go and follow along with the service. We have videos. So inside you have videos that play. You can add videos. You can decide how many per row. And when you go to play a video, it plays inside a beautiful light box right here on the website. Okay. And so obviously you're not going to want atoms. You're going to want your own, but it's so simple to go ahead and overwrite this. When you're done watching a video, just click off. So everything about this website is really great. We have global variables. So you can change information, key information like your address, your phone number, your business name, on one page, and it will update everywhere, cascade all of that information across the entire website. Everything about this website is totally easy to use and just awesome. Absolutely nice to have that. Looks like it's still installing the theme, but we're getting pretty close. If I were to try again, maybe we're almost there. Begon-Pests, there you go. There's your whole new website. It's live, actually. It's just installing the finishing touches. It'll be done in a minute. And everything is here, okay? You can fill in your Contact Us form with your information, and you can check it out, and it's going to go ahead and go. right? Right then and there. You can do it from your cell phone, okay? Again, you can buy and install the entire thing on your cell phone, right? So that's how easy, and it's gonna tell you how to log in. If you ever need to do a factory reset, you can come in here to do that. But everything is done. And so then you'll have your admin panel information so that you're able to log into your administrator panel. Or if you install a landing page, you'll have the link for your builders, so you'll be able to do that. And you can go in there and make adjustments. And by the way, the admin panel is mobile friendly. Very simple to log in there and do everything you need to do inside your phone. So you could be doing it at a restaurant while you're waiting for your food. You can install your new website and update the information on the global variables page. And you can hand out business cards right then and there for your new website. It's live. It's that easy. There's a lot more to cover. We got videos just to show you how to do different things in the back end. It's intuitive. There's little question marks over everything. So it's very easy to understand how to update everything on all the pages. Just go explore the back end. You're going to see. But we'll get you the video links and everything else. And so watch the intro video if you want to see what's there. And we'll just kind of walk you through the back end. All right, you've seen an entire installation right then and there. Yeah, what did it take? About 10 minutes maybe? Without the explanation, more like 8. And that's the point we wanted to make in the first place. You can bypass GoDaddy and HostGator. We'll handle it instantly. You're live in minutes. Live in the next 10 minutes, your powerful new website. There you go. That's what we got for you. We hope you like it. It's really awesome. It's totally competitive with what other people are offering. It's actually stronger. You're going to have a much stronger chance ranking this way than if you go with just a Wix website from scratch or a WordPress website from scratch, especially if you're trying to keep it at a similar price point. This will rank better for a lot of reasons. It's not a subpartition of a subpartition. It's an actual full-scale cPanel. It is on your real hosted account. It's not just that you're pointing your domain name forward to somebody else's. It's a different situation. It's a full proper setup. And like I say, there's all these ranking factors that happen inside the system and things that make your template awesome. There you go. You select a template, choose a domain, enter the details, make the purchase. You're live in minutes, and you could do it all on a mobile phone if you wanted. Talk to you later. Thank you very much for your business and your time.